I'm gonna tie a pheasant tail red tag that is a real good fly for all the situation of dirty water. For some reason, the fish really see this fly even in water that sometimes you think is unfishable. So I put a copper bead head. The hook is number 14, white gap straight. So start blocking the bead head. Okay. Then I will use for the tail a Glo-Brite fluo red floss. Cut it, I use 8 for number 14. So these are 8 filament. Got it. Go up. This one will help to keep the bead head in place. Then I put the copper wire. You want to double it here to have a better anchor. Trim out the extra. Okay. For the body, I'm gonna use pheasant tail fiber. In this case, I'm gonna use a bunch of 6 to 8 fibers. You pair them and fix them by the point. Okay. Now I make the body using pheasant tail fiber. Then we secure the fiber with the copper in order to avoid, especially trout, that can break it easily with the teeth. Fix it. Then we take some furnace hand feather, fix it by the base of the stem. Okay. Do a couple of turns. Don't put too much. A general rule is on flies, better less material than too much. Then cut. You want to bend them a little on the inside. Okay. Then we use the usual drop of glue, the thread, and close the knot. And cut it. Okay, ready to rock.